Aarav was a college student in Delhi with a passion for tech. He loved talking about gadgets, unboxing them, and explaining features to his friends. But beyond his friend circle, no one knew his knowledge or potential. One evening, scrolling through YouTube, he came across a creator reviewing budget smartphones. The video had 1 million views. Phase 1. Starting from zero, Aarav didn't have expensive gear. Just an old phone, a basic tripod, and a quiet corner in his hostel room. He created his first video. Best budget phones under 10-0. It had poor lighting and shaky audio, but it was honest and helpful. It got only 86 views, but one comment read, "Thanks bro, this helped." Encouraged, Aarav kept going. He learned from each video, improved lighting using a desk lamp, used a free app for noise reduction, and practiced speaking clearly. He studied other successful creators, how they made thumbnails, wrote titles, and engaged viewers. Phase 2. Learning the game. 3 months in, Aarav uploaded twice a week. His subscriber count reached 800, and he hit 1-0 by his 4th month. By then, he discovered the YouTube Partner Program. He needed 1-0 subscribers and 4-0 watch hours in the past year to earn ad revenue. He focused on longer videos, 8-10 minutes, to increase watch time. He started saying things like, "Watch till the end for a comparison chart," to keep people engaged. In his 6th month, he got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. His first earnings? 700. It wasn't much, but it proved the system worked. Phase 3. Growth and monetization. Aarav treated YouTube like a part-time job. Every night, he spent 2-3 hours scripting, recording, and editing. He responded to comments, used community posts to ask viewers what they wanted next, and stayed active on Instagram to promote his videos. His content expanded. Phone reviews, laptop comparisons, tutorials, and top 5 lists. He noticed that videos with titles like, "Don't buy XYZ before watching this," performed best. They created curiosity. Soon, brands noticed him. He got offers for sponsored videos. Companies sent him gadgets to review and paid 5-0, 10-0 per video. He also started using affiliate marketing. Under every video, he added Amazon affiliate links. When viewers clicked and purchased phones or accessories, Aarav earned commissions. Phase 4. Scaling the channel. At 50-0 subscribers, Aarav reinvested, bought a DSLR, hired a freelance editor, and subscribed to paid tools like TubeBuddy and Canva Pro. His editing became sharper, thumbnails more eye-catching, and pacing tighter. He launched a second channel, a Hindi version of his content, to tap into a wider audience. He also created a digital product, a short course on how to start a tech YouTube channel, priced at $499. It sold well to aspiring creators.